Some people would say that there is record speed in setting the targets, but are we building fast at the cost of quality? What would you want to say to your critics?
Actually, this is not the correct thing. One of the problems which I am facing, that any road constructed by any state government, I don't know, but people give me the credit for that. The Samruddhi Mahamarga is constructed by government of Maharashtra, and many times in the flight people coming to me, oh Gadkari, very well done, well done. This is not my project. The problem,
it's always well done, then
yes,
there's no problem.
In the social media, so 70% of the problems which are already, they have given addressing to me and my department, they are not related with me. I am only responsible for national highway. I am not responsible Delhi roads. I am not responsible municipal roads, Delhi state government roads. But people are making responsible me for everything, and that is to be the problem.